Intro. Welcome to King Bike, the ultimate destination for motorcycle reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the Hero Splendor Plus, a reliable and iconic commuter bike that has captured the hearts of riders across the country. Let's break down everything you need to know about this timeless machine. Engine and performance. The Hero Splendor Plus is powered by a 97.2 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. It produces around 8.02 brake horsepower of power and 8.5 Newton-meters of torque, making it an ideal bike for city commuting. The engine is smooth and efficient, delivering great mileage and reliable performance for everyday use. With a top speed of around 87 km per hour, it's perfect for daily rides without being overly aggressive. Design and comfort. The design of the Hero Splendor Plus is simple yet attractive. It features a classic commuter look with a modern twist, including a sleek fuel tank, clean lines, and well-designed body panels. The seating is comfortable with a well-padded seat, making it suitable for long-distance commuting. The suspension setup, telescopic forks in the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, ensures a smooth ride over rough roads. Fuel efficiency and mileage. One of the standout features of the Hero Splendor Plus is its fuel efficiency. It offers an impressive mileage of around 65 to 70 km/L, making it a cost-effective choice for those looking to save on fuel. Whether you're navigating through traffic or cruising on highways, this bike delivers excellent mileage, which is a major selling point for daily commuters. Braking and safety features. The Hero Splendor Plus comes equipped with drum brakes at both ends, offering reliable stopping power. While the braking performance is adequate for city riding, the addition of optional front disc brakes would have enhanced safety and performance. The bike also comes with safety features like integrated side stand indicators and a robust body that adds to its overall durability. Conclusion. Overall, the Hero Splendor Plus I